A new wave of free AI video tools has arrived, and one of them lets you create videos with some of the best models available. Today, I'll show you the best options and how to use them, but I also found a way to bring all these free AIs together in one place. You can describe the video you want to create, and it can recommend the right tool, compare which one is best for each task, or show you how to combine several of them to get a better result. But first, let's look at the top free video generators available right now. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. The first tool I want to show you is Arena. It gives you access to a huge catalog of AI models for generating text, code, images, and, of course, video, all for free. Open Direct Chat, click the selector next to it, and you'll see the full model list. You can filter it by what you want to create, such as images. If you're not sure which option is strongest for image generation, open Leaderboard from the menu on the left, select Image at the top, and choose Text to Image. This shows the current ranking. Some may not be available yet, but most are gradually being added. We already have the latest Seedream releases, OpenAI's image generators, Nano Banana, and many more. But video is what we care about today. Switch to battle mode, add your prompt, and send it. Arena starts generating 2 clips at the same time using 2 powerful video models. Open Leaderboard again, go to Video, and you'll find options such as Cdance 2.0, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. The only real problem is that Arena has a very tight daily usage limit, but I have a solution for that. The next tool is completely free and unlimited for video generation. I'm talking about Meta AI, where you can generate almost anything. Open Create from the menu on the left, and you can make all kinds of images and videos. Ask for an image and you'll get 4 results at once. Pick your favorite, then ask Meta to edit it or turn it directly into a video. But Meta has a problem too. It adds a fairly annoying watermark to its videos. This is the pattern I kept running into while collecting the tools for this video. Each AI is excellent at a particular job, but it also has one small drawback. With only Arena and Meta, it's easy to remember what each one can do. Once we add everything I'm showing you today, plus any tools you discover later, keeping track of the strengths, limits, formats, and links gets much harder. So I set out to find a way to keep every free AI in one place. I found it, and it's much easier to set up than it sounds. Open Base 44. By writing a single prompt, we can create one place where all these free AI tools live together. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow the same steps. Paste the prompt into this box. In my case, I asked it to build a complete app where I could save every AI tool I find, organize them automatically, and add whatever features were needed. Before sending it, turn on Plan First, so it can develop the idea properly before it starts building. I'll leave all the links for the AI video tools I'm using today and all the prompts, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. Once Plan First is on, send the prompt. Base 44 starts by analyzing everything you asked for, and depending on what you want to create, it may ask a few questions so the result matches what you have in mind. When the plan is ready, click Start Building. This opens the editor where we'll work on the project. The build takes a few minutes, and when it's finished, the app opens in preview, ready to use. With a single prompt, Base 44 created every feature on the first try. But the app still needs one important fix. I didn't add any of the AI tools shown here, and most are neither free nor among the best options. To replace them, we first need accurate data for the tools we actually want inside the app. I've already compiled everything about today's options into this file. The first entries are Arena and Meta, with all of their strengths and weaknesses. Next is Google Flow. Here, you can generate images and videos for free. And after opening New Project, you also get a powerful Characters feature. Using this interface, you can create a protagonist that stays consistent in every image and video. Once it's ready, Flow saves it as a character you can reuse whenever you need it. Then go to the generation area and choose the image option shown here. With these models selected, the cost stays at 0 credits. Click the plus icon, add the character we just created, and generate the image. Once it's ready, you can turn it into a video with one of the most powerful models available, Veo 3.1 Lite. That makes Flow one of the best free options for video generation. It has a daily limit, but you can create a good number of videos, and once you hit the limit, come back the next day after your daily allowance resets. We'll record all those details in the file and do the same with the rest. I also added Symphony Creative Studio, which produces strong images and videos, but only in vertical format and with a limit of 200 videos per week. That's quite generous, but it is still a limit. I'll come back to the other tools I added after we finish setting up the app. Once all the information is ready, go back to Base 44 and click Dashboard at the top. Open Data, then select Tool. This brings up the full list of tools the app added automatically. We need to replace them, so click the three-dot menu and choose Delete All. Once the list is empty, open the same menu again, choose Import, and upload the file containing all the information for today's free video tools. If you want to use the same file, I'll leave it on my website in the description as well. After a short wait, the free video tools appear in the list. Return to home and refresh the page, and now they're all active with the correct details. Once the data is in place, the most impressive part is what Base 44 built around it. Find My tool includes a quiz where you describe your ideal AI, and it recommends the closest match. Long Video Mode groups the options by the kind of project you want to create and shows how to use them in sequence. My favorite is Compare Tools. Add 3 tools, and it builds an updated comparison showing which one is better for each task. But I still felt the website could be better, and some of the AI ratings were displayed incorrectly. Base 44 lets us fix that directly through the chat on the left. I pasted a prompt asking it to correct the errors I had found and completely redesign the visual style. Once I sent it, the result was much better than I expected. It created 3D animations of a world map showing the tools in the app, redesigned every section, and added motion throughout the site. On the homepage, the ratings and labels now make it much easier to understand what each tool does. Click View Details for a fuller explanation of where each one performs best. Every card also includes an Open Official Site button, so you no longer have to save or remember every link. You can use the filters to find exactly what you need or sort the list by these categories. Find My tool now looks much cleaner and gives more accurate recommendations using the corrected ratings. The result also includes a button that takes you straight to the official website. Long Video Mode now explains the groups much more clearly, so it's easy to understand why those tools belong together. In Compare Tools, the button that didn't work before is now fixed, and it's much simpler to add the tools and see which one is stronger in each category. The last video AI I want to highlight is Juan. And this app we've been using to organize everything? You built it. Base 44 enabled it. If you want to use this app, I'll leave the link in the description and the pinned comment. Juan is completely free and unlimited for both images and videos. It's especially good at adding background audio and creating natural-looking animations. It can even combine images and keep a character consistent. You'll notice a credits section, but you don't need credits to generate. Leave this option off and the cost stays at 0. Turn it on, and each faster generation uses 1 credit, and you get 10 free every day. Even after those run out, you can keep creating without limits and without paying anything. 10 faster videos a day is already a solid amount, and for most people, that should cover everything they need. Thanks to Base 44 for sponsoring this video. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.